Dan here, Hardwood Hollow Skills channel. Just going to do a little bit something different for this next series of videos. Over the years, I've done a lot of different skills. I'm very ADHD, so I jump around from things. Knife making, which is, I'm working on this knife right now. Here's the handles that are going to go on it. But it typically takes me a long time to do projects because I keep jumping around from one thing to the other, or I jump onto a project based on need and my ability to make something versus pay for something. Sometimes because I don't have the money, other times I just want to try and learn how to do it. So I'm going to showcase some of the projects I've done over the years. Some have made me a little money, some have not. Some are just out of need or just decided I wanted to try and do something that I'd never seen before. So that's what this series of videos is going to be about, showcasing some of the projects, prototypes I've worked on, things like that. I've done leather working, I've done kydex, woodworking projects, all kinds of things. Like I said, showed off the knife making there over the years. I've spent the majority of my life carrying a firearm for a living in the security industry. One way I could say it, that I typically say it, is I've made my life with guns, either carrying them, fixing them, or selling them. And throughout that time, just as a little outlet, like I said, I've done a lot of DIY stuff. I've done paracord stuff. Here's one of the paracord things I did. You'll see that later in the video. So this is just the intro, and then we'll pop up with some videos as we go along. All right, thanks for watching.